I broke my vibrator before this huge snowstorm is about to hit DC, and I refuse to be stuck in the house with, so let's go shopping. Old Faithful, absolutely amazing, wonderful, great time. I hate this. Something about the Pulse Air thing that I just, no, no to this one. Incredible, great things, awesome job. What a gal. Also this, hate it. Something about the like ergonomics of this one and the womanizer that just make it a no. It's just a no-go for me. But if you like it, that's great. For me, if you've never tried something like this before, I recommend. If you're going wand, I will always go corded over cordless. I got two things that I needed. Can't wait to go home and get snowed in.